Today I'm just gonna make a quick video showing you how to make a custom ringtone notification sound, whatever you want. This video might be a little long, but it's okay. So first thing you're gonna want to do is find the thing you want. So say if you wanted like, I'll pick a random thing. Close that. Okay, say if I want, I don't know, random something. So you pick the one, you want that exact audio. Then you're gonna want to hit share. It looks like this little arrow currently in the update app. You're gonna want to copy URL. Now it's in your clipboard. Next, you're gonna want to exit out and go into Google. Once you're on Google, you're gonna want to search up YouTube to MP3. Click on that, and click on the www.youtube dash or something, whatever that is, mp3.org. That you'll see right there. That will be there. That's like tutorial. You're gonna wanna get that out, paste. You're gonna convert. You're gonna want to download and start downloading it. You are gonna need this app called Easy Downloader. I will put a link for in the description for it. So you don't have to open it with that. You could open it with Chrome if you really wanted. But once that downloads, you're going to exit out and go into your Easy Downloader again. A link will be provided in the description. You're going to go to Easy File Explorer. I will show you to get notifications and that. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to your music and find the song that you downloaded. Since I downloaded this, I'm going to hold on it. Make sure you don't hit that arrow. You're going to hold like near the left corner. Click on this little three dots in the right corner and go down to where it says copy to. Once you do that, you're going to want to look for notifications. And then I'll show you the ringtones. You're going to click on ringtones and you're going to want to OK. Once you do that, you're going to want to exit out and go to your settings. Once you are there, you want to go down to sound and notification. You're going to want to click on your phone, and you're going to want to use Easy File Explorer. Wait, never mind, don't use. You're actually going to use media storage. That's what you're going to want to use. Now you have your song right here. Then I'll show you how to do the other things. So now you want to go back exactly where you were, copy it. I already have a copy, but I want to copy it again. Show exactly what to do. Copy to. That will bring you back. You just that little back arrow, and I did that to ringtone. So I do some notifications. This usually for me is empty, so you're gonna okay. That's there. Even though in the settings there's some more. I want to go right there. Click on that. You're gonna want to go down to sound notifications or notification, and then you're gonna click on it. Media storage, and look for it in here. It should be in here. Right here. Now, you got that. And yes, I told you this is a long video. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please like the video, leave a comment, tell me if it helped. Tell me if you want more videos like this. And peace.